Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will do the third design, which is gonna be giraffe design. This is safari segment. If you haven't watched my previous videos, we did leopard design and we did zebra design. So please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy watching this channel, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So before I start to do anything, I have a white tip and I have to use a color to just to remove that white. So especially when you work in salon, again, like we had a situation with zebra, usually the nail would be clear or cover pink, whatever product you're using. So today I'm gonna be using really light nude color for this step. Okay guys, so now I will start to apply my color. So like I said, choose a light nude that you have. Alrighty, and I will put this for the full curing time. Okay guys, after this has been fully cured, you have to take brown color. So I prefer to use darker brown. You can choose lighter one if you want, because there is a few different options how to do this design. So you can either use also this one that we use for leopard design, but I want to use a little bit darker, so I'm gonna be using this one here. This one is from Yana Nails and it's called Gulb, and it's Genie in the Bottle. Okay, so now we have to start to create those little irregular, I don't even know how to call them, circles, pigments, let's call them pigments. Okay, so I will start with one here. Okay, just like that. Now the next one, you want to go really close to the first one, but you gotta leave a gap between. Okay, and then you do some other shape. Okay, and let's do the same here. So one can be smaller, another one can be bigger. I'll do the same here. This is super fast, super fun, and super cool. So you see, we always just leave a gap between. Make sure they're not connecting. Now I will go under here. And do the same. just continue to do the same throughout the whole tip. You see, it's super simple, especially because it has to be irregular. So more irregular you make it, more realistic it's gonna look. So it's super quick when you have that client that's in the rush, but they still want some design. If you're using a little bit more liquid colors, then flash cure this in between. But I have genie in the bottle, which is a little bit more thicker consistency, so I don't really need to flash cure. On some places you can leave bigger gaps than the other. Okay, we'll just take a little bit more color. And continue. Okay, and pop it in the lamp for the full curing time. Okay guys, so after this is finished, I will just use top coat. I will use a shiny top coat for this one. If you want to play with textures, you have to then check my other two videos that I did for this safari segment, which would be leopard print and zebra print. We played a little bit with the textures, but this one will make the whole nail shiny. Okay, and I will pop this in a lamp for the full curing time. Okay guys, so this would be the finished result, but I will do one extra step that it's definitely not necessary, but I think it's just gonna make it a little bit more fun. So here I have a gold cream product, and I will just do a frame around the tip with this gold. I think it's just gonna give a little bit more dimension, a little bit more fun. But again, this is definitely not necessary. This is just extra step. So just around the whole tip. Okay, and I will pop this now in a lamp. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. Yeah, there we go, now it's in focus. Super quick, super cool, and most of all super fun design to do. You can do it matte, you can do it shiny. Super, super cool. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy in recreating this super quick salon design. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!